So finally coming to this brand Treebet, and here I need to say that Treebet is one of the gem in terms of sound quality and experience, and their products are enriched with features and specification when it comes to driver performance and each and everything. So I'm completely blown away with their sound performance. Not really waste much time into giving details about their brand and bragging about their brand. So finally I received this X Sound Go, and moving ahead, coming to some written specifications. So it comes with IPX7 waterproof, Bluetooth 5.0 support for good connectivity, long battery life, and superior sound. And here are some other details, so you can pause this video for your reference. And as we all know, Treebit is a popular brand, but not in India. In India, we do have some of the popular brand in terms of audio. Seems like Boat and Protronics are reliable brand in India. The only problem which seems with this brand uh, is coming with the service center. So let me keep it aside. Coming to contents, so what else we get inside? So we get one USB Type C cable. Coming to length of this cable, I'm so surprised that they are offering good quality lengths. Good quality cable. So let me keep it aside. We also get user manual and thank you leaflet. Need not to say much about this because it comes with a 30-day money back guarantee and 18-month replacement warranty. In case you need you want to know further details, you can scan there. Let me keep it aside. So finally coming to this coming to main highlight of this review. So this is a Treebit X Sound Go. Build quality feels really strong. So in hand feel is sturdy, and it's small and compact. So no doubt, no complaint about its build quality. Each and everything is perfect, perfectly laid. Coming to switches, and it all seems great. And let me show you. So it has one aux input and USB Type C input. So we do have two connectivity options like Bluetooth 5.0 and aux input. So let's not waste much time further. So in case you need to turn this on, you need to press it once, and if in case you need to turn it off, press it again. If you want to keep this in pairing mode, you need to press it for 2 to 3 seconds, so it goes in pairing mode. So you can play and pause your songs video with this switch, and for volume up and down you can rely on these. So finally coming to sound quality of these speakers, so completely blown away with how they are balanced and each and everything perfectly laid. As I stated in the beginning of this video, I'm really happy with the sound quality, but uh, where a few things which I haven't tested is battery life and how much time it really takes while charging it. So firstly I would like to summarize its sound quality, because sound quality is main uh, seems to be main part of this video, and I think so that sound quality is perfect, although I'm not that great in defining all those things which other reviewers did. So I do have my own way of reviewing products. So in terms of sound quality, it's loud but not that loud to to impress you if you are in other room, and if and say if you keep it in some other place where you want to experience how dynamic it is. So this seems to be a bit disappointment, because uh, when I also compared it with my Botronics a portable speaker, which I'll compare it with later on. So it's not that great in terms of loudness, but when it comes to the balanced sound, so sound is really rich and it's so immersive. The audio precision is well balanced, so this is well crafted a speaker and everything is perfectly laid. If you're not a bass lover, then you can definitely go with this speaker, and I'm really happy with its quality, overall quality. But bass seems to be a big disappointment. When coming to bass, I have tried, and I need to keep this speaker in this way, in case I need to get the best output. And uh, and after this video, I'll definitely post the sound review as well. But overall, I'm happy with this brand because uh, it's a brand which offers quality and price at the same time, and there is no doubt about this, that Treebit is really good brand in terms of quality. And here you can see this metal mesh grill. And coming to component inside, so uh, I'm not that aware of components, but it comes with two speakers and one bass radiator in the mid. So that's all we get in this speaker. And as I stated, that bass is not that good, so it is going to disappoint you, but it really feels good, I mean, while in hand, while you keep it anywhere. And I'm really happy that Treebit is not doing great, uh, not doing great in the other parts, uh, but they are just maintained their audio quality. And that is where I felt difficulty while explaining each and everything about this brand, because it seems to be uncertain. And I'm really happy with overall sound quality. The only thing which it lacks is the bass quality and the loudness. So that's all in this review. Thank you.